friends, my name is Sarita and today we'll learn about what is National Recruitment Agency. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji conducted a meeting with the Union Cabinet and decided to set up a National Recruitment Agency for conducting common preliminary examination for various recruitments in central government. This will really benefit the youth section of India while creating the transparency within the system and streamlining the employment process by reducing the pressure on the aspirants. Initially, the applicant had to give different exams conducted by different agencies for central government jobs. In India, almost 3 crore applicants appear for more than 1 lakh jobs in central government every year. Once the NRA is set up, it will conduct Common Eligibility Test (CET) and depending on the scores, this candidate can apply for jobs respectively. The CET score is valid for a period of 3 years and there is no limit for the number of attempts. The CET is planning to conduct exams in multiple languages. Initially, they will be focusing on shortlisting the candidates for Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Board and the Institute of Banking Service Personnel to be precise, and later on they may include other government jobs too. The NRA will have representative from Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Boards and the Institute of Banking Service Personnel, and the exam will be conducted in 3 levels where they will consider the graduates, HSC and SSC pass candidates. Based on the scores of CET, the candidates will be selected for the post through recruitment agencies. To make it easy, the exam centers will be set up at their respective districts. The NRA setup will help the poor candidates to give exams at minimal cost, and this will definitely reduce their expenditure as they just have to give one exam through their respective districts and they don't have to travel again and again to give different exams. NRA is really an amazing initiative by the government and this will definitely help a lot of candidates to give exams in better way. So we should really look forward to it as this will definitely bring change in the recruitment process of the government related jobs. This is good initiative for millions of youths in India. I hope this information will really give you satisfaction that very soon things will change for better careers in government. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you don't miss any of the notifications. Thank you so much.